damaging gusts of more than 110 km per hour battered southern parts of Australia overnight, with Victorians and Tasmanians warned to take care on Friday as the blustery conditions continue. The Bureau of Meteorology, BOM, said a severe weather warning remains in place for both states, with 120 km per hour gusts possible in some areas. Victorians woke up to howling winds, damage to homes and blackouts as the state was once again slammed by storms. Winds of up to 100 km per hour on Thursday evening rolled across the state, preceding a cold front coming in from South Australia. In that state, gusts reached 95 km per hour at Edithburgh, across the Gulf St. Vincent from Adelaide, and 93 km per hour at Nerco Ort.